Hello everyone. So till now we have completed 2020 geography part KS prelims and we have almost completed the 2017 paper, and we will be completing the rest 10 years KS geography PYQ with the depth analysis also we have done. And kindly watch till the end. In between, if you skip it, it's a waste of your efforts. So it will be very helpful. If you have not watched the earlier videos, you kindly watch. So let's start from the 31st question that we have seen. So identify the correct sequence of catchment areas in Karnataka in descending order, means decreasing order. So what it is saying, which is the largest catchment area, largest to smallest, as per this, uh, as per the given rivers. What catchment area is, uh, especially when a river flows, maybe in different direction. Suppose this is river is flowing, and these are its tributaries we call. Okay, and this entire area is called as river basin or catchment area, where entire water is collected. So the difference for what catchment area, river basin, and watershed is very important. Watershed is a small unit of the catchment area or river basin, where small rivers are like this flows, and this part is called as watershed. So that's important. So see this being, so as per this question, which is the largest the catchment area in Karnataka. So I have listed some of the catchment areas in Karnataka. Krishna is the highest, which covers in the larger many districts. Second, the Kaveri and west flowing rivers like Bedti, Kali Nadi, etc. North Pennar, which originate from in the Nandi Hills near Bengaluru, which flows into Tamil Nadu. Then Godavari, which flows into the Andhra Pradesh from Maharashtra. This is also called as Dakshin Gangotri in South India. Then Southern Pennar, again it origination is from Nandi Hills. Then Palar, this is also from Nandi Hills. So these are very important rivers. So in terms of the catchment area, see, we know that Krishna, and the second is Kaveri, and third is North Pennar. Then last is Godavari. So third is North Pennar, last is Godavari. Remember all this sequence. When I ask you in terms of India, so the largest catchment area is not Indus, it is Ganga, because it you can see so many tributaries flowing in India from Uttarakhand, starting from Uttarakhand, uh, from the glaciers, and from Mansarovar Lake to until it reaches the West Bengal and Bay of Bengal. So it spreads in a lot of districts, lots of states. So Ganga being the largest catchment area, and kindly comment which is the second largest. And somewhere Kaveri falls in terms of 10th or 11th in terms of catchment area in terms of major rivers. So these are some of the waterfalls being asked continuously. See, the Magod Falls is Bedti River, which has been asked in many exams also. And then Lalgoli Falls, we know this is Kali River or Kali River. Then Barkana Falls is Sita River, which is located in Shivamogga near Agombe. And Shivganga is Sonda River. So these are some of the important falls. Keeps repeating. Kindly read thoroughly about the major rivers in Karnataka. So we'll be doing those part rivers as well as and waterfalls. So completely. So yeah, now we have started with 2014 prelims paper. So till now we have completed 2020, 2017. Kindly watch. These are very important part. So yeah, then as you know, there are some terminologies associated with earthquake like laccolith, batholiths. So batholiths are nothing but the kind of lava reservoirs. So inside the earth. So when it comes out in the form of molten magma, so that we call it as volcanoes. So batholiths, you can Google it and you can see batholiths related with volcanoes. So again, this part we know exfoliation. Exfoliation is weathering. So where we also call this term as onion peeling. So especially in the regions of arid region like Rajasthan, so where rock will peel out, so part by part. So that's why we call it as onion peeling. So very important. So limestone region, this is Polje, we call it. It's kind of depression which is formed because of dissolving the limestone or dolomite. Dolomite will be hard, which won't dissolve, but limestone forming sinkholes. So we have discussed about crust topography and all. So kindly watch the previous video. If you're continuously watching this, it will be very helpful. Otherwise, it won't be helpful for the exam. So again, arid cycle, deflation, it's kind of the soil particles carried away from the wind. Okay. So the answer would be for this one is 1. So as per this, kindly note it. Very important. Savanna biome. I have also completely discussed about the savanna climate and it's a region in the previous video. So kindly watch. This biome is found in tropical wet climate of Africa and South America, even Australia also. So it founds in Australia. So I have told it found in the northwestern part of Australia. So in they have swabbed it and they have given southwestern part. So kindly remember the regions where it is distributed. The mean monthly temperature is 28 degree. Yes, because minimum temperature would be 20 and maximum it will be more than 30 degree centigrade. So that is correct. Normal rainfall is 50 centimeter, 100 centimeter. Usually savanna biome, the beauty of this is wet winter. So it means a lot of rainfall in this uh, season because of shift in the global climatic the belt pressure belts you can call it as. So that we have seen it. Okay. So all of this correct. So 34, 35 is very important because this question been asked in many times with reference to Mars. Which of the following statement is correct? Mars is also called as a red planet of the Earth. Yes, because it looks like red, and it has two satellites called Deimos and Castillo. Very important. There are other satellites, so I'll be telling those things. It is most explored planet by man in the solar system other than Earth. It is the smallest planet. Who told smallest planet is Mercury? So this kind of observation need to be seen. So Mercury is the smallest planet. Third is eliminated. Fourth is eliminated. So the answer would be 1, 2, 3. So this is the answer. So see some of the facts I have given here. The largest planet is Jupiter. So and the largest uh, a satellite is Ganymede. So and it is located in Jupiter. And one more thing, Saturn has highest number of satellites, which is in number is 83. So you know what Ganymede, the satellite, the natural satellite, I mean a small planet you can call. We can't call it as a planet because Pluto is a not planet because it not come under the category of planet. So Ganymede is bigger than the Mercury size. So imagine so big the Ganymede a satellite. You know, this is discovered in 1610 by Galilei. I call this as a Galilei because he is a Galileo, 1610. So Galilei discovered the Ganymede, which is the largest satellite. You know, he's a famous geographer, astronomer who used to watch the space objects through his telescope, right? So this is very important part which I have discussed. Again, see, this is a very simple question KS has asked. Descending order. So from current order of ocean in ascending order. Ascending order, it means from large to small. This would be descending order, and ascending order from small to like. So this is ascending order. You are increasing it. So don't get confused. This is a basic term. We know that Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, followed by Atlantic Ocean, which surrounds by this Africa and all. So if I can write the world map here, so it should not in future. I'll be writing and I'll be showing some of the physiographic features. Let's not waste the time. So Indian Ocean, then Atlantic and Arctic. So this is four ocean. The major as per increasing order I have categorized. So see ascending order, which is the smallest. So we know this Arctic. So here also Arctic, then Atlantic, third. So no, first Atlantic, large. We know Pacific is the largest. Yes, Pacific is the largest. Second is Atlantic. Yes, Atlantic. Third is Indian. Yes, we know third is Indian. So almost three options are now Arctic or Atlantic. See, Arctic is the smallest part. So B is the answer. So like that, very minute things you need to observe. Antarctic is bigger. Even spelling wise, see this letter is big. This is a small. When you see this map, you will understand. Atlantic might be bigger than Arctic. So Atlantic is bigger. Arctic is small. In terms of words also, count the words. So this one is small. Okay. And don't remember that way, but kindly watch the map so that you will understand. This is very important in state. A state in India has a following characteristics is northern part is arid and semi-arid. Its central part produces cotton, cultivation of cash crop. Cash crop is like cotton, jute, sugarcane. We call it as a cash crop. Is predominant over food crops. So which can directly market it. So that's called as a cash crop. So I'll just draw India map here. So just look at it. So this is Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into half parts. So this is arid region. This is semi-arid region, roughly. So one state, you can see this is the one state where semi-arid and arid region falls. Arid and then definitely you can say that state is Gujarat. You understand? Gujarat is the state which produces largest cotton. Okay. And it's very important. Gandhiji from Porbandar. So he was reeling the charaka. So that's how that state is being very popular and it's been largest cotton producer. And one more important, cotton is not measured in terms of kgs. It is measured in terms of 170 kg is equal to one bale. So that's very important. It has been asked in PCPSI exam. So this session is not just for the KS, but it also helps all the KPSC conducted exam. So this is very important. Read the following statement regarding climate. The climate has highest concentration of winter rainfall. Again, this question number of time they have asked. Winter rainfall means you understand this is a what savanna type. Sorry, it's a Mediterranean type of climate. Okay, it is found in all the inhabited continent of the world. It is found in the subtropics. It is associated shifting of global pressure. So that I have already told. If you have not watched the Mediterranean type of climate that I have discussed, you kindly watch that previous video. So that's very important. Last two questions. See, this is also question. They have been cold fields and the regions. So of course, we know some of by terminology we can Shang Shaanxi. Shaanxi is related with China, and word see you can Japan Honshu, and Great Britain we know South Wales, North Wales is there, and then USA is Pittsburgh. So this you can mark A is 3, yeah, and D is 5. So D is 5. So this fourth is the answer. So likewise we have to go. Let's see which of the following cyclone, this would be a last question. Which of the following cyclone did occur in 2014? Why I will teach 2014? This is no need to study. We have to see the 2023 questions. So idral cyclones 2020 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಫ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್, ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. ಇದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. HM. ಸೊ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದಾವೆ. ಮಿಚಾಂಗ್, ಮಿಢಿಲಿ, Hamon, Macha. So these are the cyclone which occurred recently in the year in the 2022 to 23. Recent occur they have occurred in the recent times. So in parts of this Arabian Sea, Beparjoy and Tej. So this is recently uh, occurred in Arabian Sea. So comment ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ in compared to Arabian Sea ಅಂತ. So we'll keep this discussion and next ನಾವು 41 ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ and till 10 years as we have discussed, we will complete and kindly watch and share with your friends who cannot afford the coaching and who cannot get the proper guidance. We have been doing this free of exercise and it has been helping a lot of students. I personally tell lot of students got benefited and lot of students has cracked many of the exams. And thank you watching and kindly continue to watch coming videos. Thanks a lot.